Hello everyone. Yeah, this is my first video and we have our ICSE results today. Apparently let me check. It's like 9:48 a.m. My results are going to be out in like 1.5 hours. And like any other student, I'm also anxious. My papers, my exams didn't go that well that I had expected them to be. I'm scared because you see, we got the toughest papers in ICSE. Think about it. We got the toughest papers in the history of ICSE, and not only that, I've heard that the checking is also tough. Some people say that in their bundle of chemistry they got only one cementum paper. That is not a good sign. Yeah, I'm actually scared. So right now I can't focus on study, obviously, out of excitement, out of scaredness and everything. So probably I'm going to complete my projects meanwhile, because you see, 11th class headache. Yeah, I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to I'm going to record my reaction of my family. So yeah, so let me predict my marks if possible. See, my English paper, I can say that it went well. English literature, because language paper was like the first paper, so I wasn't prepared for it, didn't know how to manage time and everything, so my language paper was not that well. Literature, I could say it was good. Maths, I don't want to talk about it. And then we had history was also nice. Geography, I don't want to talk about it. The topography killed me actually. Everything, theory paper was nice, but the topography was literally a headache. Then what did we have? Then we had what did we have? We had physics. I'm just talking about randomly because I don't remember. Physics exam was not that good. Chemistry was not. My god, none of my exam was good. What the heck? So I guess the way of passing the time of predicting the marks is also not that successful. So what are we supposed to do next? I think I should just go back on completing my projects, and it's 10 a.m. 1 hour to go, and I'm pretty sure that the site is not going to open in just clicks because traffic and everything. The excitement, it's not even excitement, I can't even tell you what it is. The fact is that I want to go to my school to meet teachers, but what am I going to say to them? Like, hello teachers, see, this is the percentage I got, and if that percentage is not great, I'm not going to feel good inside. You get it? Teachers are not going to say that, okay, your percentage is bad or good, but you will feel it inside, right? I don't want that. I don't want to go with a good percentage and them being happy. You can see my hand movement to it. Okay. And if you're in class 10th and you're seeing this video, you're going to be here in like 1 year. And let me tell you something. To class 10 passes away really fast. It will just, like, the entire year will go away in just a blink. I was 2 days ago in class 10th, metaphorically, and now I'm already in class 11. I can't, dude. Let me just close this video. I can't. It's finally the time, people. 11 बज चुके हैं. अब मैं कैसे दिखाऊँ? I don't think कल दिखा सकती हूँ क्या? Okay, I can. तो हो चुके हैं. Let me refresh the page. I'm quiet. आ गया. Okay. चलो मैं डालती हूँ अपनी यूनिक आईडी. मम्मा को बुलाऊँ? I don't know. Let us see. मैं डालती हूँ यूनिक आईडी. क्या मैंने ठीक डाली है यूनिक आईडी? लेट मी चेक. ऑलराइट, मैंने ठीक डाली है. इंडेक्स नंबर 125. ओके. 035. Now we have the captcha. Captcha का I can't understand. W. चलो, let me show you something. I'm only this away. I can't. Shit. दबा दूँ? I don't know. रूह पता नहीं कैसी आई होगी. दबा दूँ? 3, 2, 1. Please select the course. अच्छा, I didn't select the course. ICSE. Okay. Guys. होने वाला है. It is the time. Show 3, 2, 1. आ गया. Shit. Oh no. Shit भाई. तो बहुत बुरा है. They're not good. Let me calculate the percentage that I'm going to tell you. हेलो पीपल. सो कल मैं अपडेट करना भूल गई थी. बेसिकली मतलब ठीक ही परसेंटेज आई. माई मतलब जब मैंने खोला था तो माई आइज लिटरली वेंट ऑन द वन दैट वी हैड लाइक यू नो इन 80s. आई गॉट इन मैथ्स एंड इन केमिस्ट्री आई गॉट इन 80s. सो या आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ शॉक टू सी. बट या अदरवाइज I could say pretty decent percentage, and I would not like to reveal it that much. But yeah, it was overly nice, but I still feel that there were certain errors in the calculation. So, how did your percentage go?
एक्सपेक्टेड से तो ज़्यादा ही अच्छी आ गई भाई, कसम से.
है ना? पर तुझे लगता नहीं है कि कहीं कहीं मतलब काउंसिल ज़्यादा कर सकती थी?
भाई सच्ची में एक तो पेपर डिफ़िकल्ट आया. हमें इन्फो वो नहीं होता कि एक साइंस का पेपर डिफ़िकल्ट आता है तो बाकी इजी आ जाता है.
हाँ जी.
वैसा हुआ ही नहीं हमारे साथ.
एग्जैक्टली. दैट इज़ द रीज़न. यू सी
उसके बाद चेकिंग भी.
मुझे लगा कि मैथ्स में हमारा इजी मतलब टफ पेपर आया तो इजी चेकिंग होनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
उन्होंने टफ किया है.
हाँ भाई
एग्जैक्टली.
बहुत डिफिकल्ट पेपर था बहुत. और
हाँ.
उसके लिए जो प्रिपरेशन थी ना उसी ने हमें इतना डरा दिया था कि इतनी डेज उन्होंने दे रखे थे कि 10 डेज ऐसे. उसी में हमारी बहुत डर गई थी कि भाई कैसा पेपर आएगा कैसा पेपर आएगा.
ट्रूली. आपका क्या कहना है? मैथ का पेपर वैसे दिन काफ़ी दिए थे तो उसमें बहुत डर गए थे कि बहुत गंदा आएगा. चेकिंग भी बहुत घटिया की है. बहुत घटिया किया है. बट आई एम हैप्पी कि मेरे घर वाले खुश हैं. एग्जैक्टली. दैट इज़ यू नो इन द एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट मैटर्स. सो या स्कूल में आई गेस everybody is quite happy with their percentage. They are my friends. So yeah, eventually that is what matters. I would not like to reveal my percentage that much. I already told you, of course, that right. But yeah, it is quite decent. And तुम लोगों के जितने भी आए हैं, just be happy. Nothing, no, it doesn't matter that way. 2 दिन की खुशी होती है. Then now I also feel like what was that all for? My all happiness and everything. चलो, that is it. See you guys in the next video.